The Xiaomi FX Pro 43-inch is where high-end display technology meets smart convenience. This is a 4K QLED TV, which means you are seeing over a billion shades of color. The visuals are incredibly rich, detailed and lifelike, supported by the Vivid Picture Engine 2 and HDR10+. It comes with Fire TV built-in, which is fantastic for seamless streaming. The interface is intuitive and the Alexa voice remote puts unmatched control at your fingertips. Search for content, control playback or manage your smart home with just your voice. For gamers, this TV is a hidden gem. It features a game booster mode that delivers smoother latency, making your gameplay feel snappy and responsive. The sound is powerful too, with 30 watts of output and support for Dolby Audio and DTS Virtual X, creating a cinematic audio environment wrapped in a premium metal bezel-less design. The Xiaomi FX Pro looks as good as it performs.